Hi guys, welcome to Hands On Unlimited. Today I will be unboxing goodies from Amazon Prime. I did buy a few things from Prime Week, but I'll be sharing the other boxes on my other channel. I did buy the Fire TV Stick 4K, also Amazon Basics batteries. For my movie night, I did pick up this popcorn from Marshall's. It's Disney's 100th anniversary. From the Dollar Tree, I bought 2 popcorn buckets. For my movie night, I chose Anastasia on Disney Plus. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.